Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the best deals for hotels and motels on Cheapflights. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and if you are traveling somewhere and you want to find a place to stay and you want the best deals, here in this app you can find them. So if you are on the home page, here you can see the second icon is the way you can find a place to stay. Here is the search bar. Click on that and then you can see that you have to enter a city, point of interest, or property name where you want to find the place. Let's say New York, United States, and the date, like from 1st of July until 28th. Apply. Okay, you have to select if you want, the rooms, how many adults or children, and so on, and all property types. Or here you can select, there is a list and you can check what you would or where you would like to stay for that period of time. And after that, click on the search stays, and then here you can see a lot of options. Here at the top of the screen you can see that you can sort them out, like the cheapest, closest, deals, review score, and so on. So yeah, if you like one of these, click on the view deal. Here you can see the rating, the reviews, after that some details, and so on, overview, the location. And then if you like the deal, then here you can see that you can book via these sites. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.